This is OGA IGWE, and in this very video now I'm going to be showing you how I can use very sell on XAUUSD, which pretty much giving me about 15 ROR today. So let's jump in without wasting much of our time, and let's scale in. So firstly I go to the higher time frame. If it's the morning, I go to the daily. So apart from morning, I go to 4 hour time frame. So in the daily now you can see there's pretty much nothing there. Let's take this out. Let me take this out, man. Alright. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hours should be my highest time frame. So in the 4 hour now, the price of currency right here. The price of currency right here was moving right here. Before I spotted this very zone. I was moving right there. So my watch was on this. I was focusing on this very zone. So I decided to move to a lower time frame. I went to 3 hours and it's still pretty much another block. So I went to 2 hours. 2 hours is giving me exact other block. So I went to 1 hour. So I decided to move to 1 hour, which is pretty much giving me, it's not aligning in 1 hour, but it's aligning with 2 hours. 1 hour now is not aligning. So you can see this I've already mitigated. So I went to 45 minutes and this I've already mitigated. This one candle right there. Let me write it. So this white candle I've already mitigated on this other block, right? Was mitigated already. Come. So I decided to move to 30 minutes, which it was still mitigating. Yes, it was still mitigating. So I scale up to 15 minutes to look for my entry. I normally get my entry at 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and I take my entry. Mostly 30 minutes. So firstly, you can see I was looking all day for this market to activate. I got an OB right here. Which market failed to activate, and it left with just a pips. I try to see it didn't activate. And if you go to the 4 hour time frame now, you will see they use a key. Let's go to 4 hour and see now. In the 4 hour time frame, it was having this right here, this breakout block. Yeah. I'm trying to see. It was having this breakout block. That's what it mitigated and went up. Let's go to 15 minutes and see what I'm seeing. So this is the breakout block right now. We use this as an entry to pull up. Miami was waiting for this very entry, so it didn't come out. I used the other one to pull up. So I missed out. I already know price is not coming back. After giving me this confirmation that I already tapped on this key breakout block and went down. So I noticed that market is not coming back. So like I said, I have another entry right here, which I didn't got to. I didn't got that entry right there. It wasn't having a liquidity. You know what liquidity is? It will come like this. Break this low, then break it like this. Break the low, then tap on it before going down. This is what liquidity is. I wish I got this entry. You will have seen me market like this. I actually call it inducement. Liquidity or inducement. They are pretty much the same. So I didn't cut it because it didn't have all the criteria I want. So on this very 4 hour now, that's when I saw this very key level. That's when I saw this very key level right here. So I marked it out. These very key levels. After marking it out, so I went to my 30 minutes. It wasn't aligning. Like I said, it wasn't aligning. So I went to my 15 minutes and it was aligning. Consider here, 15 minutes it was having this breakout block. This other block. Yeah. I know some of you might say why I didn't use this very other block right here. Why I didn't mark this one out? Use this one as the liquidity. No, I didn't mark that out because I already mitigated this. And the market will move on. So that's why I didn't mark it out. I didn't regard this. If I should take this entry for here, I should have put my stop loss above this very high. So I didn't do that because I know my trend. I know how I can approach the market. I'm trying to see right now. So I'm working on the 5 minutes now. You can try to see I have a clean order block on 5 minutes, which have not been mitigated. And you can see this very mitigation. We're using the breakout block. I try to see mitigation. We're using the breakout block to reverse. That's what I did regard it, right? So I use this, and this was having inducement. I try to see there was inducement there. This served as an inducement to me and to the other block right there. Mind you, there was an 4 hour key level right there for reversal. So when this inducement form, I know it is a high chance for me to take my trade. And this was giving a break of structure. Yeah, this was giving a break of structure to the downside. For you to know the market is actually on the downtrend, it was giving a break of structure. I try to see right here. the market was on a downtrend, it was easy for me to spot an entry right here. So I placed my sell limit right there. So I placed my sell limit and it came and activate. After activate, it went down and it was going, and my mind wasn't on this chart anymore because I've already started going in profit. So I was like locking up, letting it hit take profit. I didn't look up to re-entry. I could have caught this very re-entry too. Got this re-entry right here. I try to see it. That's the candle body right here. That's the candle body right there. And this is serving as inducement. Inducement or liquidity. I see right here. Inducement or liquidity. So I could have taken this sell too. Just like this. I could have taken this sell like this. Short. Alright. Then my stop loss will be above this high. Alright. Then I'll target this. Alright. I will target this my nearest key level, the nearest reversal zone. That's what I do target. So I'll have it like this. Where I didn't focus. And if you see, pay more attention, it has another range right here, which is giving me inducements. This is another inducement. I didn't pay more attention. I guess I wasn't on the chart. That's giving me three entry from this very one good setup. So you have this other block right here. Now try to see it. Then I will be targeting this very low. I didn't pay more attention. I left the market running. So you can see right here. This is pretty much an amazing. And this first one is giving me about 15 RR, which I took trade on. And this second one is giving me about 9 RR, almost 10. I didn't take it. I didn't pay attention to the market. And this is giving me about 4 RR, which I didn't take it. See, pretty much good now. This I would have been risking $4 per trade on this very one. And this second one will be risking $6. Right, this I'll be risking $8. So this is how I got this very setup right here, which I later sent to my Telegram. Sorry, to my S account. So you can see how it played out and went in profit. And full TP was matched. So the next video I will show you how I take the next trade. Please stay tuned. And this was the S account. I share my trades. I guess it's video. Alright. This was the BTC I also caught using my phone analysis. This is the BTC I also caught. So this is the gold. So this is the gold right here. This is it. I used my purple, the analysis, and I got a clean play with. That was it. So if this is your first time meeting me, this is me, OGA IGWE. You can try to see my page right here. This is OGA IGWE. I am that I am. So do well to follow, like this video, and share. Thanks for watching and stay patient. And this is how I enter my trade every single day. This is what I look for in the market. You look for the trend, then you look for your entry. That's why you do not trade against the trend. If I were to trade against the trend, now you see me marking an OP here, waiting for the market to reverse right here. I try to see it, and it didn't reverse. And it's gonna take me out, so I didn't do that. So don't trade against the trend. Trade along with the trend. That's why you make money. Thank you guys.